We're back. What your body count? What's your body count by King Oumar? That's what we are watching right now.
Say Junk Park. I wonder if I don't think Junk Park is still open.
I don't know what it is.
Some place in Santon or whatever.
What are you guys' body count?
I suppose I can see now. Yo, shit, how
I'm
is
scared of
it?
sex. Sex is a very scary thing, dog. Sex. No way, dog.
Over 65.
She belongs to the streets.
It's X. My body count is X. It's X. Yeah, like so it's like a big number. I've lost count now. You've lost. Yeah, for sure. What it be? Hey, what you telling me? This is your boy KO in the cut. KO in the what park? You're ready live for you. What's your boy? Alright, cool. Can we ask you guys a question real quick?
Sure.
Come join us in the video. So the question we have for today is, what is you guys' body count?
Okay. That's very telling.
That's a deep question.
It's a deep day.
Maybe my crush is watching your YouTube video. We don't know who's watching.
And he's gonna know the truth.
Over 65. And he's gonna be like, yeah, I tell you it's 1,000.
You know what I said now? Eat it,
The dots.
1,000 bodies.
You know me, Lucis.
Mkaba.
Yeah, I tell you it's 1,000 on the dot.
Umiti.
Mkaba.
Umiti.
Mkaba, mzwashi.
Okay.
What's that trying to Ngcono mina ngifiseli ngimkhaba.
No, but be honest, what's your body count? No cap.
My body count.
Huh?
What's my body count?
Yeah.
It's over 10 but less than 20.
That's fair.
One is shit. Now join. Freak like that. How old are you? Over 10.
Dashi young as fuck.
Yeah,
She just calls us skank.
What's your body count though?
My body count is not more than 3.
I'm trying to make it 4. What's up?
Not more than 3.
I want to hear this response.
No, I'm not having a response. Let's look at not more than 3. Pitch, why did you just say 2? Because, I mean, how many options do you have less than 3? It's either 1 or 2.
Rejected. But let's keep it moving. Let's
Why
run.
not go on Shama?
So we're back here again. I'm here with
Mimi.
Okay, Mimi, how you doing? How's your day so far?
Wow, Mimi is so pretty.
We're coming back to Junk Park, okay? We were
Why?
held hostage. You see? Never again. Never again.
We're not coming back to Junk Park. But the real question of the day is, what is you guys' body count?
0. It's 0.
0. Your body count is 0.
0. I'm probably 0. Yeah.
But you're in a relationship.
Abstinence is key, man. Yeah.
You know, I saw a tweet. Tweet. I was talking about body counts and that type of stuff. Then this guy was like, your mouth counts. You can't be getting your throat rammed through talking about, I'm a virgin. So every cavity counts.
Okay, if you say so. We're back in again and I'm here with...
It's Dirk, yeah?
Okay, Dirk, talk to us. I see the job is looking good. Something like...
Standard procedure.
Yeah, you know the vibe.
Interview abantu aba wrong.
Alright, for sure. Pull up boy too. Come on.
They're boys.
Yeah. What's up? I'm here with...
Levitos, what's up, bro?
Okay, so today what we're doing is something live. We're gonna find out what these niggas are rocking with. What's your body count?
My body count.
Yeah.
Oh, trying to get me off the top of my head. We're trying to get me. They always say you must half your body count, so I'll go with the 8.
What are you
I'll go with the 7. Humble boy.
7.
Humble boy.
No niggas are clapping cheeks like that.
No,
I'm
that's
getting double digits and all
We
that.
just half the number, my guy.
Yeah, you're half it. So that means you get to like 16 and like 14.
I never said that.
That niggas didn't know numbers.
Those are numbers that did not come out of our mouths.
Yeah.
That's the assumptions. We never said that.
You just said half.
I said 8, you heard 16. So yeah, you're on your own mission. That's his own agenda. You clapping.
Wow, we playing out here, dog. Shout out, my guy.
Buza le ntombi
Wanna
wena.
shout out your Instagram or anything like that?
Nah, if you don't know who the fuck we is, nah.
You don't know who the fuck you are. Yoshi.
That's
Shut up. Hold up before you continue this video. I want to let you guys know this because she's worried. Don't drive. So it's the very
Yo,
What's your name?
Are we here with Kagiso Madumo?
And what's your name?
Karabo.
Okay, so today we got something light, something simple. We're not doing too much.
Yeah,
We're gonna ask you some questions when it comes to locations like this. Be honest though. Don't cap. Be honest.
Yes.
What is you guys' body count?
umncane kanje unohlu umncane kanje hayi ngengane zami. I will never blame your father for walking out anymore. Fuck it, namahamba. Shiya nale ingane zakho futhi
It's one, but don't ask me how many times.
Like that.
does that matter?
What?
It's one, but don't ask me how many times.
No, it doesn't.
Nah.
If it's one.
But technically and physically speaking,
Well,
ungasebenzisa isando esisodwa ubhidlize phansi wonke umuzi.
not really. Because here's the thing. It's not really about women's body count. It's also about men as well. It's that stats say that like the more people you have sex with, the less you are attached to a person.
Yeah.
That's why most people who are having like the more people you have sex with,
The less
the
attached
less-
you become.
and the less chances of your marriage actually making
Working,
it.
yeah, that's it.
So
And even that holds true in net divorce. Once you get divorced, you're
yeah,
more
the
likely to get
chances-
divorced again.
Yeah, which is weird because you think that people would
Who
get
fix their mistakes, but actually,
get
when you
more
check the
experience.
trends, like if you use famous people as an example, they have more failed marriages.
Like that.
I mean, I'm kind of loyal, you know, but
Those two.
it's my boyfriend.
You come.
Yes.
Hey yo, man. What's your body count, by the way?
0.
0.
Yeah.
There ain't no niggas trying to clap your cheeks, nothing like that. So you
Ngani yami, I might stay home. I might.
said it
Indodakazi ke leyo. I might. Might. Let's see.
one, but
Ngobani ke nini? Clash of Guilds. Lords Mobile. We're your guys. We could clash
and he can smile.
or fight.
No, Casper doesn't do that. You have to learn how to smile. No.
Girls, Lords
You
of
have to be
Guild.
like, God bless you, my brother.
My guy,
You need that
igame
to-
yokulwa leyo. Xebula umfana, umshakuvume. Athi hayi uyinqwele. Shakuvume. Sprite. Wait.
Yes, we
those-
have someone who can smile.
Sprite.
I told you.
Casper Manangana, it's my chance, dog. Sprite. Shut up. Sprite. Yo guys, good guys.
And he can smile.
That's not drink, as you can see. That's not drink.
And watch how my friend smiles.
Dog,
3, 2, 1. That's our response.
Hey, mafaka imali kunini? It's like a campaign no Casper. Anisinikeni a chance. Give a black child a chance.
Couldn't know Casper sponsor. You mean kancane. Give a black child.
A
We are
chance.
black children.
but the same nigga been clapping, man.
I
He
mean,
just been hitting it like whoa.
because, you know, he know how to do it, so.
How do you
How do you know?
But you know what? It's fine. It's
No,
fine.
let's not get into it.
Yeah, one thing you said, like, what is it called?
As long as others, as long as you don't know what's happening on the other side of the fence, you'll be satisfied.
The grass is not
It's
green.
not
on the other
greener,
side.
trust
It's
me.
Not green.
Spirit's meat, right? Spirit.
Shout out. Shit, it's a riot. People are leaving. So we're back in again in the cut. I'm here with Pressy as fuck. What a vibe.
Boy, you nice.
100%.
All the time, boy.
So today we're killing it, you know.
I got an hour in interview. I need to be.
Who the fuck is
I don't care about guys. Come on.
I'm saying, you jump out, get
Let's get
great
this
down.
chat. Let's get this chat. All right.
Okay.
Talk to me, boy. What's
So
up?
we're gonna ask you a simple question. I think a lot of people will want to know. baby's already coming. Hey, they can't leave Percy alone.
I'm listening, bro. What's
Okay,
up?
what is your body count, Percy?
My body count.
Be honest, don't lie to me.
Approximately around about 4.
4!
If you argue, go find your ancestors.
Big process, fuck!
4, dog.
Big process, fuck!
It ends there. 4.
Only clap 4 chicks.
Were you there when I was fucking?
lenja lephafuzayo kunini
We were there when I was fucking.
kunini lwaphafuza lo kapisi
Big process,
Mwah,
fuck!
mwah.
4.
Only clap 4 chicks.
Were you there when I was
No,
fucking?
I'm asking now. Were you there? I'm asking now.
induna
You
yasekamilweni
only clap 4 chicks your whole life.
4. It ends there.
Big men like you.
Me, I'm scared of sex. Sex is a very scary thing, dog. Sex. No
Very
way,
scary.
dog.
Yeah.
It's scary that
So it's
thing,
4.
bro. 4.
Are you planning on clapping chicks tonight?
No.
Why
I don't do
not?
those things, bro.
Not
I came here
anymore.
to work,
Get the pizza.
and that's it, dog.
Okay.
I don't want no bitches. I'm going back home, bro. I'm
Shut up,
going
my
back
guy.
home, bro.
Enjoy a night.
Oh, wait, dog. Shut up.
Quick. So we're back it again. I'm here with
Gabby Gabs.
Hi, Gabby.
Gabby. So today what we're doing is we got a simple question for you, yeah?
Hi, Gabby.
What is your body count?
Yo, that's like public and shit like that.
upublic
6.
6. So only in 6 niggas.
athi ungugebi
Jesus Christ, that's the top of your head.
imagine the ones you forgot
Akathuku, at least honest.
sewing machine
Ngeniapho mina lead.
threading
Threading lightly.
Niggas have clapped.
Yes.
Trying to make this 7.
No.
What are the chances of me leaving with you tonight?
0.
It's been confirmed. I've just been rejected on live YouTube, but it's whatever. Alright, cool. Thanks.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
It's all
You know
with
I'm
the
trying
yes. Yes,
to
sir.
see if it'll work out here. Like,
$6
It's all yes,
$6
sir.
Yo,
Nah, come
we're
on.
back it again, and I'm here with. Say your name, cuz.
Yo, my name is Odd Villain.
Alright, shut up.
If you don't know me, then I don't know what you know. Hello, sorry. Yeah, what's up?
Alright, cool. So we got a simple question for you today, Art Villain. Since I know, being well known in the industry, a lot of hands come.
Yay!
that's like a paradox odd villain is there a regular villain
An even one.
even the prime number
It's Thanos. He believes in the cow of equilibrium. So, in order to save people, other people have to die. So,
And stuff like that. The question we have for today is:
Yeah. Hello?
what is your body count?
My body count.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. You know when they say it's X, actually. Hello, where are you? It's X. My body count is X.
It's X.
Yeah, like,
So it's like a big number.
I've lost count now.
You've
boy.
lost count.
I'm joking.
Man's clapping chicks is like I lost count.
I didn't lose count. I just don't like measuring intimate stuff.
Oh, okay.
That's my
what are
answer.
we saying? Above 10?
No, man, there's no, you can't
Above
put
20?
You can't put a numeric shit on it.
Okay.
Sorry for
You guys
that.
heard from your Art Villain's body count is above 30?
No
Just
way.
confirmed it for us.
I
Shut
didn't
up.
confirm. Sorry.
Yeah.
Didn't.
I shut up, bro. Thanks for being in the video.
we need better teachers in the school system in this country just say our second park we need recreational activities when last did I see a tennis court we need a functioning public pool we need bicycles and bicycle lanes stingama hockey clubs basketball netball spelling competition mathematician competition essay writing poetry engineers we've never created anything we need engineers physicians biologists archaeologists zoologists so the gist of what I'm saying is that this country is fucked
I love South Africa. Nah, I don't have a problem with anything that's happening. Shout out to Mandela.
shout out to the skanks
Yeah,
Nah,
that was
nah.
Watch Your Body Count part 2.
I think the most alarming thing Lana is going to some of these kids were young. They're like, yo! I'm like, hey, bo, uqale nini wena? Umuntu uqala na-11. Yo.
So yeah, shout out. Yeah, we're done. King Oumar.
Ufika phambili uphelelwa ama-threads nkosi yami. Isikrufa sabandi. Yo.